Hey guys, welcome. This is it possible to change icons on Android without launcher? So guys, to answer this question, I have a solution for you. We are going to use a third-party application for these to work. So to do this, just simply go ahead and go to your Google Play Store and just simply search for X Icon Changer. So guys, this application will be the best one that I could find. So make sure to install it. And from here, as you can see from the pictures, guys, you can change the icon of the application and you can change the name it as well. So pretty much over here you should be able to edit an image for your new icon on your application. Now guys, once it is done downloading, you can just simply go ahead and now once it is done downloading, you can just simply open it up, and now from here select continue. And after that, from here, just simply choose an app that you want to change the icon. So for example, I am going to change the icon for my CapCut. And now from here, as you can see, we have multiple options that we can change it to. And we can also change it to the name and select OK once you are done with everything. Now from here, just simply select add. And after that, when you go to your home screen, as you can see, we will now have the CapCut as this one. And when we open it up, we should be able to open the CapCut with different icons.